Good afternoon, Corey Frazier here with TreasureAutoSales and hashtag Frazier's Friends. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2017 Chevy Silverado Z71 6.2 liter bad boy. Just like in all my videos, we're going to do the outside. We'll do the inside condition and features. I'll turn it over, let you see the dash or the lights, let you hear it run. But first we're just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be, then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. But as you're seeing, I'm getting both angles for you. You'll be able to see if there's any dents, dings, dimples, things like that. This is in actually really good shape, low miles. I'm gonna say like 45,000 miles, 6.2 liter. Hi, Coco. We got a YouTube star coming up on me. Wheels and tires. We have cottonwood trees like crazy and they're just dusting everything with cottonwood, but tires are in great condition. Wheels and rims, no dings, they haven't been curbed or nothing like that. So you have backup sensors, front sensors, backup camera, tow pack, the hard tonneau cover. And what I like is this doesn't slam, and actually I used this truck the other day and I have a tarp back there. Sorry about that, guys. Hi, Cocos. But yeah, let me get these angles in here. Get to the inside here in just a moment. It does have a remote start as well. There is a little ding on the little, I don't know what you call it, but little oil can mark right there. And it isn't bad, but let me turn on the remote start here. You got the front sensors. Get to the inside condition and features. Open this up so you can get around the door frame here. But you got power windows, power locks, power folded mirrors, power memory seats. Again, the Z71 package. So leather's in great condition. The passenger seat here. Get the back seats. Power rear slider. Let me lift up the floorboard here so you can see. Again, the hard tonneau cover. Get some features up here. You got the 4-wheel drive, factory tow assist if this wants to focus for me. Sorry about that, guys. Steering wheel controls. You got the media center, backup camera, navigation, Bluetooth, power pedal adjusters, heated seats. But let me turn it over real quick, and then you can shift manually right there if need be. Sorry, I got my gimbal going everywhere here, guys. Sorry about that. All right, let me back this up so you can see all of it. Dismiss. My Bluetooth phone just connected, has Wi-Fi, needs low, but yeah, there's the mileage there. But as you can see, no check engines, nothing like that. I do need to get some fuel though, that is for sure. Let me turn on some lights here. Blinkers in the mirrors. My goodness, my phone's not working great today, guys. Sorry about that. But hopefully this helped answer some questions. You know, if there's anything that I may have missed or you'd like me to come out, take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever we can do to help accommodate, facilitate. My contact information is in the description below. We do deliver nationwide, including Hawaii and Alaska. I can get you the link for the instant quote for home or office delivery. I do want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. We'll see you next time, guys.